At Aileron OS, we recognize that artificial intelligence has the potential to transform how organizations operate. But adopting AI is far more than a technology decision. It is a strategic business, workforce, and mission decision. Before selecting AI platforms, writing prompts, or investing in new capabilities, organizations should first determine whether AI aligns with their mission, strategic objectives, business processes, workforce needs, security requirements, compliance obligations, and long-term vision. Successful AI adoption doesn't begin with technology. It begins with leadership. It requires a clear understanding of the problems you're trying to solve, the value you're seeking to create, and the risks you're prepared to manage. Throughout this course, we'll help you evaluate organizational readiness, identify meaningful use cases, establish governance and security, enable your workforce, and determine where AI can deliver measurable mission and business value. Because the most successful organizations aren't those that adopt AI first. They're the ones that adopt it with purpose, preparation, and responsible governance. The first step is discovery. Understand how your organization operates today. Identify repetitive tasks, knowledge-intensive activities, manual workflows, decision points, and areas where employees spend significant time. Some opportunities may benefit from AI, while others may be better solved through process improvement, automation, training, or organizational change. Technology should solve validated business problems, not create new ones. Not every challenge requires artificial intelligence. Ask simple but important questions. What problem are we solving? What outcome are we trying to improve? Is AI the best solution? Can the same result be achieved more simply? The objective is not to implement AI everywhere. It is to apply AI where it creates measurable value. Before adopting AI, evaluate organizational readiness. Consider executive sponsorship, workforce skills, data quality, security, governance, technology infrastructure, change management, policies, and compliance. Organizations that invest in readiness are more likely to achieve sustainable results. Rather than deploying AI across the enterprise immediately, many organizations begin with a secure sandbox environment. Pilot projects allow teams to evaluate use cases, validate results, refine governance, and build confidence before expanding into production. Small successes often create the momentum needed for broader adoption while reducing implementation risk. Many organizations already have employees experimenting with public AI tools without formal approval, a practice often referred to as shadow AI. Without clear policies, employees may unintentionally expose sensitive information, intellectual property, or regulated data. Establishing approved tools, governance, training, and AC. AI should augment people, not replace them. Successful organizations invest in workforce enablement by teaching employees how to use AI responsibly, critically evaluate AI-generated content, and apply subject matter expertise throughout the decision-making process. Training builds confidence, improves adoption, and helps employees focus on higher-value work. The value of AI extends beyond cost savings. Organizations should measure improvements in mission outcomes, productivity, quality to decision-making, employee satisfaction, knowledge sharing, innovation, compliance, risk reduction, customer experience. These outcomes often deliver greater long-term value than financial return alone. Responsible AI requires more than technology. Organizations should establish governance, define acceptable use policies, protect sensitive information, manage cybersecurity risks, validate AI outputs, maintain records, and ensure human accountability. Security and compliance should be built into AI adoption from the beginning, not added later. Successful AI adoption is a journey. Organizations that begin with discovery, assess readiness, pilot responsibly, invest in their workforce, establish governance, and continuously measure outcomes are better positioned to realize sustainable value. At Aileron OS, our goal is not simply to teach AI tools. Our goal is to help organizations build an AI-ready workforce capable of using AI responsibly, securely, and effectively to support mission success. Welcome to the Executive AI Adoption Framework. Our Executive AI Adoption Checklist covers 11 areas of consideration that include the following. Define the business or mission problem. Conduct discovery and process analysis. Determine if AI is the right solution. Assess organizational readiness. Establish governance and security. Additional considerations include pilot in a controlled sandbox environment, address shadow AI through policy and approved tools. Invest in workforce enablement and continuous training. Measure value beyond ROI, including mission impact, quality, risk reduction, and employee experience. Scale responsibly with ongoing governance and improvement. In summary, the key takeaway for decision makers is that the organizations that succeed with AI are not those that adopt it first. They are those that adopt it deliberately. By combining discovery, readiness, governance, workforce enablement, and continuous improvement, AI becomes a trusted capability that strengthens mission performance, innovation, and long-term organizational resilience.